you ladies doing? Taking a dust bath? Hey y'all, so it's that time of year when new chicken owners experience the phenomenon that those of us who have had chickens for a while are used to. And that is when you come out to your chicken coop and you start seeing a bunch of feathers in your coop. I have a few here. I have a bunch starting to form in here. Bunch down in here, which you might not be able to see through that hardware cloth. And they wonder what's going on with their chickens and why they're losing their feathers. Now, at other times of the year, I would tell them to check for mites or lice. But this time of the year, when we're almost to fall, the culprit is most likely going to be that your chickens are molting. Now, molting means they are losing their summer feathers and they're getting their winter feathers, basically. Let's take a look at this one who is having a dirt bath. She's not losing that many feathers, but some of the others, the Morans in particular, are losing more feathers. And you will notice during this time that egg production greatly decreases and may even stop altogether. Now, it's nothing to worry about. This is perfectly normal. They're just getting ready for winter, and there's not really anything you can do except make sure you keep their diet like they're used to. You can increase their protein, the protein in their diet, but other than that, just carry on as usual, and they will get back to laying usually, depending on where you live. Mine lay year-round. But if you've never heard of molting, you're not familiar with it, I suggest you Google it so you know what it looks like, because it can be kind of startling when you see a naked chicken. Some of them just lose a few feathers. Some of them lose all their feathers. It just depends on the chicken. So that's my chicken wisdom of the day. Thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe.